Just arrived, this beautiful Defender 110. Now this is the D250 SE in Santorini black. The D250 is a 3-litre diesel engine producing 250 brake horsepower. This is a 2021-21 registration with only 31,000 miles on, full service history, and still has the remainder of the Land Rover manufacturer's warranty. Now this isn't any ordinary Defender 110, it's a stunning looking car with great power, brilliant driver, but the way it looks, it's got a full urban conversion kit on it, starting off with the pod lighting at the top there, full LED. You've then got the urban badges on the front, the urban grille, and it's all colour coded. But for me, the most important feature on this car are two things. One is the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels, and it has a full arch kit all the way around, which really does enhance the way this car looks, and the stance on it is absolutely stunning. Being the SE, you have the upgraded LED daytime running lights and LED headlights, front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, and then the checker plates all finished in black. The inserts in the grille are black, front fog lights LED as well. You've then got features like front and rear mud flaps. The 22-inch alloy wheels are finished in satin black and they look absolutely superb. The fixed side steps, roof rails, sun protection glass, and you also have comfort access. So if the keys are in your pocket, you can walk up to the car, it'll unlock, and as you walk away, you press that square and it locks for you. The interior, again, is magnificent. Full leather interior with electric seats, driver and passenger memory seats. You've also got heated seats and then things like front and rear heated windscreen. This one also has a tilt and sliding panoramic roof, centre armrest, lots of cubbyhole space for all the things that you want to place in there, like phones or wallets. Big sort of door bins, the Meridian sound system, grab handles, 12-volt sockets and USBs all the way around the vehicle. This centre armrest also lifts up with more compartment space down below. And big features for me are things like air suspension. So this one does have the air suspension, which is ideal for different drive. You've then got the full digital dash as well, multifunctional steering wheel, which I'll show you in a few more seconds. But it's just nice and high up. The visibility is brilliant. The ground clearance is great. This is a 5-seater Land Rover Defender, which looks brilliant, but is very practical. In the back, you've got more USBs and USCs, lots of cubbyhole space, and then the family pack gives you little sockets here where you can put different adapters in there. 3-point seat belts, Isofix attachments, and then round the back, the urban theme continues, starting with the urban rear spoiler. It's only small, but big enough to make an impact. All colour-coded. If you look down the side one more time, you'll notice that beautiful extension of the arch kit really does work well, and it's all colour-coded. The new Defenders do come with a full LED square lighting system. This one also has a hardback urban spare wheel cover. And then if you look just here, you've got a massive boot. The seats go down. It is easy to wipe down this hardback. And underneath, you've got more cubbyhole space with a jack, lock and wheel nut, etc. If you're looking for a Defender and you want a special one, then this is it, because normally you're going to pay very similar money for a D250 SE, which hasn't got the colour-coded section, certainly hasn't got the urban arch kit, the spoilers, the wheels. It's just, you spend thousands upon thousands trying to get a car to look like this. Push-button start, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, electric mirrors with electric folding mirrors, and child safety lock. Remember, you have the full digital dash, because as cars and not being available and shortage of chips, they go from digital dash back to analog clocks, and I think this is a very rare one to get everything in one go. You've also got a clear sight rear view mirror, so that's a normal rear view mirror, but you pull this forward and then it shows you from the camera behind what's behind you. Remember, you've got 360 camera system, so you've got the different angles there of the car, so you've got no excuse to curb or scratch any part of it, which is brilliant, to be fair. It's in high definition, it's very clear and very futuristic. Also, I want to show you one more thing, because not everybody uses this option, but it's there if you need it. If you press this little button here, this lights up, and then you get the different programs which are available. So you've got grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, rock crawl, etc., which is ideal. That's dual zone climate control as well. One more time, you've got lots of space. Your switches down there for the pod lights at the top. And like I said, it's just a brilliant car. It's a 110 in Santorini black with all them extras on, the 22-inch upgraded alloy wheels. This is going live now. Whenever we've had a car like this, good looking as this, with that sort of miles on, and the price is going up for, it just isn't going to hang around. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.